Part 5 of the crochet butterfly top. Slip stitch into the second double crochet, slip stitch into the third double crochet, and chain up 3. Insert a double crochet in that same spot, and insert 2 double crochets in the next spot. Chain 2 and insert 2 double crochets in the first spot. Insert 1 double crochet in the next spot, and then insert 2 double crochets in the next spot. 1 crochet in this spot, then do 2 crochets in the next spot, and then 1 crochet in the last spot. You should have a total of 9 crochets in this section. Chain up 2 and insert 3 double crochets in that second spot. Chain 2 and insert 2 double crochets in the first spot, 1 double crochet in the next spot, 2 double crochets in the next spot, 1 double crochet in the next spot, and keep going until you reach the end of it. This section should have 12 double crochets. I stopped because I noticed that I messed up, and I'm just gonna fix it real quick. Now you're just going to keep doing what we did before. Chain 2, 2 double crochets in the first spot, and then 2 double crochets in the next spot.